Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're good to you. So in this video I have an unboxing and first impression for you. This is the house of Surrati or Surrati. In Arabic, Surrati means my happiness, and they are Saudi Arabian based company. They've been around for very long time, I think about 50 years or even more, and their speciality is oils. So they make perfume oils, and one of the very high quality perfume oils. Some of the perfumes are very expensive, thousands of pounds, yes, but when I saw this beauty for under £15 for 100 ml eau de parfum from Surrati, I said, wow, I have to get it just for the curiosity of it, because 99% what they do is oils, and from time to time they release an eau de parfum, and I never had one before, so this is my first Surrati in terms of eau de parfum. I had oils from them before, but never basically perfume. So my curiosity said go and get it, and I bought it, and let's see how it goes. Before I do the unboxing, if you find useful, informative, if you find this video entertaining, valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. Your support, your motivation, your help will take this channel a long way, and it makes me survive. Yes, this hobby is expensive. Without your support, without your motivation, I might give up in future, unfortunately, because many reviewers before me, they had this doomed fate, which is the expense will take over and they can't do anymore. But with your help, hopefully I can keep going. Anyway, thank you very much for your support. Let's do this unboxing. Beautiful blue. It's what they call the electric blue. So the box itself is a quite big box. Sorry about the noise. By the way, this one is called Oudy. So Oudy eau de parfum from Surrati or Surrati, and look at this beautiful box, just beautiful, very attractive box, very shiny, very deep electric blue, and look at this, gorgeous, for under 15 quid. And there's only one site in United Kingdom that they sell it for this price. Other places I checked is like 50-60 pounds plus. So if you are curious, I never recommend blind buy, but if you want to do it under 15 pounds, this is the only site in the United Kingdom they sell it for that. Anyway, so look at this gorgeous bottle, super heavy, about a kilo bottle, and the cap is plastic, but it's got the effect of the wood. It says Oudy eau de parfum, and here we go. Very good. Atomizer is pressurized, superbly good. Okay, so how is this Oudy from Surrati, which they make very good perfume oils, and they've been making it for more than 50 years, and this is the first eau de parfum from them I'm doing it. Ooh, gorgeousness. As he says Oudy, this is very Oudy, and it's very woody, and it's very floral, spicy, green, leafy, a bit of earthiness. Wow, what a smell. For under 15 quid, this smells much more expensive. It smells 100 plus. Yes, if this had a big name, it would have been 100 plus, and everybody would say this is the best thing since the sliced bread. Yes, I'm telling you. Yeah, beauty. So it is Oudy, it is woody, it is herbal, it is spicy, and it's floral. The florals are right now is mainly white florals, but I can detect a little bit of rosiness, but it's not a typical rose oud. Okay, so the rose is not huge, it's just in the background. Oud is in the front, woodiness is in front, as he says, woody woody. And after oud and woods is the spices, and after spices is the herbal feel, and also it's leafy, it's green, is herbal and earthy, and probably most likely is there's an amber in here. I can smell something very smooth. Maybe there's a sandalwood and jasmine, combination of that sandalwood jasmine give it a very smooth ride basically. Oh mamma mia, what a smell, what a quality. The quality is 100 plus, yes, trust me when I say that. When you smell it you would realize what a bargain this is. When I saw it I had to get it because I knew that Surrati makes beautiful perfume oils, and this is going to be good. And I thought, under 50 man, are you joking me? Surrati is better than most of those fragrance brands and houses from Middle East, probably top 3 or top 4 in the Middle East. So imagine, for this price, this is a bargain of the century. Anyway, so it smells amazing, it smells wonderful, it smells very exotic, it smells Eastern, it smells Oriental, it smells very Middle Eastern. Beautiful. So if you like what I described, you know what to do, but I never recommend blind buy anyway. Who is it for? This is definitely mature and always 25 and up to be in the safe side. Definitely for going out, opulent, formal, evening and things like that. And also this is better suited for cooler weather, but you can use it all year round if you control the trigger. In summer or in heat less, in winter more trigger, but for right now it's filling the room, so it's very strong. Anyway, so in the next video I'll let you know the development, the longevity, the good things like this. But for now, for the first impression, yes, I'm loving it. I give it absolutely 10 out of 10 for the opening. It's beautiful. It's up my alley. I'm a middle-aged man, I'm a Middle Eastern man originally anyway, so for me this is beauty in a bottle. But for you, you might, you have to, if something is good for me, it doesn't mean it's necessarily the same for you. Okay guys, so you need to do your research, you need to know what you're buying. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit those buttons if you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances. I'm a perfumer myself. I make everything myself. I'm the creator, I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I am the worker. Everything is me, from the scratch to the perfume itself. Nobody else is involved, and they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, very intriguing, supernatural, nothing added, nothing taken away, and they are amazing value for money. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links as well in the description. If you know it, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.